Josh Schneider here with some of my most recent bank statements for 2020. Over 106,000 in the month of June, 117,000 in the month of May, 115,000 in the month of April. In one of my bigger months, over 200,000 in the month of March.
This system 3 years ago now, and it's dramatically changed me and my family's lives forever. This is a 100% automated system, and it cranks out these huge commissions. And these huge commissions, guys, can change your life in a very short period of time. I'm just an average guy. I'm an Air Force vet. I grew up in a very small town. Before I got started, I was a traveling sales rep. I used to put 50,000 miles a year on my car. I used to live out of hotel rooms about 80% of the time. I was super stressed, and I knew there had to be something else out there. So I got started, and I worked it around my schedule. It took me about 6 months, and I ended up walking away from my job, and I've been working from home ever since. I have no commute anymore. I don't have the stress. I can pretty much do whatever I want to, and that's the beauty about it. And guys, I don't know your current situation with everything going on right now, but if you're looking for something that you can do on the side, you know, this is a 100% automated system. You don't have to be no marketing guru or marketing expert. Heck, I don't even have a college degree. I followed a very simple system and got started and worked it around my schedule.
Hey, what's up guys? Josh Schneider, US Air Force veteran. Been working this system for a couple years now and just showing you some of my results for 2020. How this insane system is cranking out huge commissions like that. 14,000, 7,000, 14,000, 7,000, almost 15,000, 7,000, 7,000. Guys, not even selling my own product, selling other people's products. 7,000, 3,000. And what I do is I allow you to ethically copy one very simple webinar. 3,000, 3,000, almost 15,000, 3,000. Guys, there's over 450,000 that I deposited on the mobile app, on my cell phone, right here, and another 250,000 in that stack. It's using one simple webinar that I allow you to copy. Guys, 2020 is on fire right now. You owe it to yourself to see what the heck we have going on here.